Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is professionalism in office. Ladies and gentlemen, whenever we talk about professionalism in office, the first thing that comes to our mind is the dressing sense of people who are the part of a particular organization. Now, dressing sense is your prime identity. People identify you at the very first place by what you wear and then by how you speak and how you behave. That's why the first professional quality is the dressing sense of an employee of the organization. So be very genuine, be very authentic about your dressing sense. Follow the dressing sense which is prescribed by the organization where you are working. It may be some industry, it may be some educational institution, it may be any other thing according to your choice. So dressing sense is the prime identity of an individual. You should always be conscious about it. But what are other aspects of professionalism? Number two is always be perfect in what you are doing. Whatever profession you have selected for yourself, try to be perfect in that. If you are not perfect in your profession, you will not gain the desired reputation. So in order to establish your credibility in terms of your task and work, always try to be perfect in the kind of job that you are doing. And for that, firstly, you must understand your task thoroughly, and secondly, you must try to bring new innovation in your task so that your knowledge is consistently increasing. There is a saying in English, ladies and gentlemen, that try to find out what you can do best and then spend your entire life doing it. I would like to repeat this statement. Try to find out what you can do best and then spend your entire life doing it, because that will be your profession. The profession of a person is always decided on the basis of his knowledge, his expertise. If you are not able to do a task properly, that can never be your profession, because that is not going to provide you desired benefits in life. Another crucial aspect of professional behavior is having good relationship with the employees who are working with you inside the organization. Ladies and gentlemen, whether that particular employee is the part of your own core team or he is part of some other department, since that person is part of the same organization, you must try to establish friendly relationship with that person. You must try to establish good relationship with people belonging to every department of your organization. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes it happens that we are so much involved in our own specific department that we rarely find time to meet people of other departments. But they are also the part of our own department. That's why we must respect people of every department of our organization. Whenever you meet people inside your organization, meet with happiness. Try to show that yes, you are really happy while meeting with those people. It establishes friendly relationship within organization, and believe me, because of this small gesture, people are always willing to help you. Whenever you are in a trouble inside the organization, whenever you are in a problem inside the organization, you don't need to go to anyone. People will automatically come to you. People will automatically come to you and they will ask you that how we can help you to come out of this grim situation. Why? Because you have established a good relationship with people inside the organization. Doesn't matter even if that person is not belonging directly to your department. Still, you are having a friendly relationship with that person. You have lunch with that person. You have breakfast with that person. You often meet that person even outside your office premises. You go to shopping malls together. You go to movie, cinema hall together. So you must try to develop a good friendly relationship with everyone inside the organization, irrespective of whether the person is belonging to your department or not. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most crucial aspect of professional life. Always be friendly towards everyone working inside the organization, even if that person is not part of your department. This is the best quality of any professional, because building personal relationship is the first step towards building professional relationship. How a person is going to help you professionally if he is not comfortable with you personally? I would like to repeat this statement. How a person is going to help you professionally if that person is not comfortable sitting with you personally? That's why first of all, developing personal bonding is important. Only then you can come to professional discussions. So this is again a very crucial aspect of professional behavior. And last but not the least is avoid backstabbing, avoid backbiting. Backstabbing and backbiting are the most deadliest things which destroy a professional atmosphere forever, which destroy a professional friendship forever. If you are a backstabber, definitely people are going to avoid you at every cost. And sometimes it goes to such extreme level that you are a part of a crucial project which is going to bring you multi-million dollars. But what you need is people's support. And at that very moment, all the employees of your organization, they leave you. They are not willing to support you. Why? Because you are a backstabber. You have established your credibility inside the organization as a backstabber. That's why during crucial projects, during crucial appointments, people are willing to leave you. People are not willing to be with you. So please don't establish such kind of image of yourself that people start avoiding you inside the organization. Never be a backstabber. Always be a nice person towards other people. So these are few qualities that you must have in your personality if you want to establish your reputation as a genuine and honest professional. You must have these qualities if you want a long-term recognition. Always remember this, ladies and gentlemen. So friends, that's all for today. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.